yesterday evening, I was walking in Karama Park with my friend Anish. It was very windy at that time. We sat there on a bench. There is a parrot sitting on a small branch swaying in the wind on top of a tree. An unfinished bird's nest on the top branch. An egg in it. The mother bird keeps the egg from falling, but the strength of the wind increased. We wanted that egg not to fall down. The mother bird kept on trying well. The wind kept blowing again. Finally, the sad thing happened. The egg fell out of the mother's control. The wind kept blowing again.